Special welcome, special greetings to everyone across the universe. First, I must thank all of my new subscribers. And today I'm cooking Jamaican dish we call yam. Staple food like we have pumpkin, the sweet potato, the renta yam, soft renta yam, very delicious yam. A lot of Jamaican abroad miss this type of food. They are not getting the real fresh, authentic food, you know. This is Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Wherever you are watching, my fans, welcome. Special welcome if you are here for the first time. Please tell your friends and loved one about this channel. Please take a look now. Not my pot, you know, this is cooked now. I'm gonna have it with some nice farm sliced fish. If you like my pot what I'm cooking, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't be selfish, right? And leave a nice comment. Even if you're not seeing my face, no problem. We said talking about peace and love and unity, my fans. And remember to tell your friends and family about my channel. Even at your work place, tell at least 5 people at your work place. When you go to church, tell some folks also. Wow, MG, look at the soft white renta yams, sweet potato, the pumpkin. Look at the color of the pumpkin, my fans. Please give it a thumbs up, man. Whoa, so beautiful. Look, come here. Yummy, 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 yummy. Cecile, I wish you could get some cottage in stamina done and all of my fans in Jamaica, in Africa, in America, Asia, Europe, Canada, wherever you're watching from, the Caribbean, Central and South America. My God, this is fantastic. Then I'm gonna set up the fish now, you know. Sliced fish fixed up nice with these type of staple food here. Big up, big up, big up every fans.
Pull up that tune the back, me I beg you, pull up that tune the back. Pull up that tune the back, selector, pull it from the top. That tune the at, that tune the at, that tune the at, and it no slack. Yeah man, this is John Niceness, and you're watching Kojak Country Lifestyle on YouTube. Seen? Yeah man, sweet.
My fans, look at my food now, a nice little plate of food. My fans, if you like this, please remember, you know, to give it a thumbs up, man, and tell your friends, you know. I always say that about my channel. Wish I could share some with all my fans them now. Look at it, my fans. What do you think about this plate of food? This is outdoor life. See there, my fan. Sweet. This is a sweet potato, pumpkin, the soft renta yam, have more sliced fish, tomato. I know Catty Chin, mouth watering right now, Cecile, and some other viewers, Myla. Big up yourself. Stamina that not takes us, my youth, my mouth water. I call like me never have no patience to wait on this now. Oh God. Whoa, pure saliva and oh my, I'll get me fat now and just sit down and relax. Consume this. Big up all of my fans worldwide.
Rasa representing a Kojak Country Lifestyle. Country life is so nice, yeah. Oh, what a crisis we're living in. Things tough, but we're still not giving in.